On you guys, my name is Alex and I'm a 21-year-old trader attempting to master the stock market to potentially one day join the very few who make a living out of this. So yesterday's video, on Sunday's video, I was talking about how I wanted to go short on Google, and here it is. We just went short and early in the morning. It is 7:12 right now a.m. and we did take a short on it right around at the open, so around 6:30 in the morning we did take a short, and it is paying off right now, not gonna lie. Let's see, so this is the chart that we're looking at on Sunday, and I don't know why my trend lines aren't drawn in yet, but I'll draw them quickly for you guys right here. And this is the idea behind this trade here. A really big trade that we took right here in the morning, and it's paying off really good. So one lower high right here, one lower second, third, and fourth. So four lower highs and then a fifth right here finally breaking. So we just jumped in yesterday. I did want to jump in, but I really didn't like that candle from yesterday here, and every candle that you see here does represent one day. So yesterday's candle, not the best candle. I decided to wait. Early in the morning we did gap down just a tiny bit, and we just managed to jump in right on time. So now obviously we are expecting this move to just be an insanely massive move to the downside. My target, you may be wondering, is likely going to be somewhere around this area. At least maybe the first target. I will take off half my size around right here, and it just all depends, you know. If the market is looking like it wants to bounce, then I'll just take off all my money, all my position at that level. Second level would probably be right here. At this point, I don't want to be in the game anymore. I think that at that point, I think the price would have came down a little too much already. Maybe a potential buying opportunity right here for people that like to buy the support levels. In terms of stop loss, again, let's go back to the 4-hour time frame here, and you could easily identify a stop loss. Of course, a trailing stop loss like usual, which leads me to another topic that I want to talk about with Johnson & Johnson, another trade that I have on or not that I want to take out my I just want to take my loss on it already because it's showing weakness. Today the whole market is coming down right now, but Johnson & Johnson is still continuing to move up, so I'm not really liking that. So my stop loss as of right now is likely going to be around this blue line. So if the price does decide to move up a little bit, I'm going to take my loss at this blue line a little bit above it. I'm going to take my loss. We'll be looking at around a $50 loss or so, nothing major. I mean, as of right now, we are up already. Let's see how much we're up right now. We're up 112 on the Google trade so far, and we just entered this morning, so pretty good. The Costco trade 150, so really good as well. My target on that one, I did talk about it on on Sunday. So if you're interested in hearing my breakdown on that, on Costco trade, go ahead and check out that video. But the DraftKings trade, very good. Another trade I did enter this morning was the coin. So I am going short pretty much Bitcoin. If you don't know, coin is a stock that pretty much tracks or does the exact thing that the Bitcoin does. So in other words, I am shorting Bitcoin right now, which is probably gonna be the title of my video here. And I did anticipate this break, not gonna lie. The market hasn't, this chart has not broken this trend line just yet, but I'm pretty confident that it will break in the coming days here. And I decided to jump in today because, well, we have a really nice black candle here, or a red candle, whatever color you're looking at it from. And my target is gonna be pretty simple again, just the nearest level of support, which is going to be around right here. A pretty big target, not gonna lie, but again, these type of trades you're going to be risking very small. I mean, my stop loss is going to be the previous candles open, so essentially around right here, an insanely tight stop loss for an insanely good reward here. So, and then if that's not enough for you guys, let's move down to the 4-hour time frame here, which is where we could identify a trailing stop here. So again, to lock in those profits once we already made some profits. So that trailing stop is going to be something around like this. So again, if the price comes down and then it tries to move up higher and it crosses this blue line, we'll be taking our loss, or maybe even a profit if we're lucky. So there it is, you guys. Coin trade. These are going to be the only trades that I take today. No more trades after this. Another one is Johnson & Johnson. Like I said, I don't think it's been behaving good, and you want to treat these stocks kind of like your employees. You want to hire them, and then if they're performing well, you want to give them more cash and just, well, let them work for you and make you more cash. But if in the cases that they're not working for you, you just want to cut the loss and just fire them and just not have them work for you anymore. So this was a short trade that I took here. Again, I don't know why my trend lines don't save, but that's not what we're talking about here today. But again, we did see a break right here. So you can see we came down here. To be quite frank, I did anticipate this trade a little bit as well. I mean, not the best candles here, but as you can see now, we are trying to move up higher, so I'm not liking that at all. I might give it another day or so, but depending on how it closes today, if it closes above this black candle here, I'm just gonna call it good already. I mean, we're risking $70 on this trade. So far we are down 37, so 43 at this point, so that's not bad at all. I don't mind to take a loss. I mean, we do have 3 massive winners right now, so I'm pretty thankful about that. And that's pretty much it for today's video, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Quick little update, quick little breakdown of some stocks that I'm looking at, and make sure to leave a like, you guys, comment and subscribe. Stay focused, you guys.